How to change a wallpaper in HP laptop. Simply right click. Here you can see personalize option. Click it here. Here you can see background. Click here. Here you can choose picture, solid color, slideshow, Windows Spotlight. If you want to choose a background from your laptop, you can simply click on browse. Here you can select a photo, choose picture. Here you can see the background has changed. If you want a solid color, you can simply choose here. You can choose a solid background, as you can see here. If you want a slideshow, you can simply browse a picture and add it, and you can change picture every 30 minutes as well. If you want Windows Spotlight, you can also add. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.